We have to understand that love is the very nature of God. God is love, and he that dwelleth in love dwelleth in God, and God in him. 1 John 4:16. See, love is not just a feeling, it's a person. Love is revealed in Jesus Christ. He is that pure water of life. He is our restoration. He is our strength. He is our patience, kindness. What happens when your motivation lacks? What happens when it seems to dwindle down? Well, that is crucial. You have to seek encouragement from the scriptures. The Bible offers timeless wisdom, and it will maintain our drive and our purpose in life. The Bible is the resource that we need in order to commit to God and his calling that will fuel us. In Colossians 3:23 through 24, it says that we are reminded to work heartily as for the Lord, and that will inspire you. Stay encouraged, dear friends, in the Lord. He is the exceeding great God. He wants to show you how to be motivated to love others, to care for others, to live in a way that pleases him. He wants us to be steadfast, unmovable, always abounding in the things of the Lord. We have to learn exactly what his sacrificial offering on the cross has given to us so that we can benefit thereby. See, love, it originated in God. 1 John 4:7. It is demonstrated through Christ. Romans 5:8. And it covers a multitude of sins. 1 Peter 4:8. And love never failed. 1 Corinthians 13:8. True love never fails. True love heals, restores the weary, and draw those souls that are lost back to God, the Creator. It corrects in truth, forgives freely, and remains faithful when circumstances changes. Love is the living water. When we drink of this water, we're changed and we pour it out so that others can be revived as well. We need love. We need the power of God. God will hear your prayer when you cry out to him. God said in the book of Isaiah 41:10, "Fear not, for I am with you. Do not be dismayed. I am with you. I'll strengthen you. I will help you. Yea, I will uphold thee with the right hand of my righteousness." That is encouragement, my friend. Don't worry about the trouble that comes. Remember, you are in the midst of the presence of God. You can feel his power and his love. His grace remains sufficient for you. No matter how long the road, he is going to walk with you. He is going to strengthen you. Take heart. God has spoken his word to your spirit. You are loved. You are eternally his. He will finish the work he started in you.